Hello everyone. My name is Anshu Kumari and today I will be presenting my internship project titled Homely Hub. I developed this project during my MERN Stack development internship under the WSA internship program. This project allowed me to apply full stack development principles in a real world scenario. It helped me understand how to structure, build, and deploy a complete application from scratch. In this internship, I worked specifically with the MERN stack, which is one of the most widely used full stack development stacks in the industry today. I worked through the entire life cycle of web application development, which included planning the application features, designing the system architecture, writing optimized code, handling backend logic, and integrating the database. The goal was to gain hands on experience that reflects real world development workflows used in professional companies. The main objectives of the internship were to strengthen my ability to design and develop fully functional applications, understand the architecture behind scalable systems, and improve my backend API development skills. I also focused on implementing CRUD operations efficiently and deploying the project in a production ready environment. The internship helped me become more confident in building applications that are maintainable, efficient, and user friendly. Homely Hub is a service based platform designed to connect property owners or users with verified service providers. The idea is to simplify the process of finding and booking home services such as cleaning, repairs, maintenance, etc. Owners can also add and manage their properties through an admin dashboard. The platform ensures transparency, secure payments, and real time service availability. Essentially, it acts as a bridge between service providers and customers. This project was built using the MERN stack. On the front end, I used React.js for building the user interface and White to improve development and build performance. On the back end, I used Node.js with Express.js to handle routing, authentication, and business logic. MongoDB was used to store information such as users, bookings, property details, and service listings. To support development and testing, I used tools such as VS Code, Postman for API testing, and GitHub for version control and collaboration. The system follows a clean three-layer architecture. The front end handles the interaction and display logic and communicates with the backend via APIs. The backend receives requests, performs validation, manages authentication, processes business rules, and interacts with the database. MongoDB stores data in a structured format and ensures fast retrieval and scalability. This separation of concerns makes the application easier to maintain, upgrade, and debug in the future. The MERN stack consists of four key technologies. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores flexible JSON like documents. Express.js is a fast backend framework used to build APIs. React.js provides a reusable component based UI structure that improves performance. Node.js allows running JavaScript outside the browser, enabling server side development. All four technologies use JavaScript, which ensures smooth data flow and reduces complexity in full stack development. In the front end, I developed the layout and user interface using component based architecture in React.js. I ensured responsiveness using CSS Grid and Flexbox. I also implemented React Router for seamless navigation. Then, on the back end, I developed REST APIs to handle user registration, login, property addition, service listing, and booking operations. I used JWT for secure user authentication and Mongo's ORM to interact efficiently with MongoDB. I also optimized schema structure to ensure quick data access. Then, the user journey begins with the home page where users can explore available services. Users can search or filter based on location or service type. After choosing a service, they proceed to a booking form where they enter details and select a date. Payments are processed securely, ensuring trust and convenience. Finally, the user receives an instant confirmation message and booking records are stored in the database. All updates happen in real time to provide a smooth and interactive experience. I have written the code using VS Code and structured the project into different folders such as front end, back end, and UI UX, just like we typically organize modern web applications. For the back end, we connected MongoDB and used the necessary npm commands such as npm start and npm run dev. After running the project, it provides a local server address that we open in the browser to view the website. Currently, we are opening our project in Chrome and accessing it by typing localhost 5173. This loads our home page. So, here is our home page. At the top left corner, you can see our logo along with the project name Homely Hub. The logo represents a small house symbolizing comfort and stay, which aligns well with the purpose of our platform. At the center of the navigation bar, we have a search bar where users can enter their destination. And next to it, there are two date fields, start date and end date for selecting and stay duration. There is also an option to add guest, allowing users to specify the number of people. Then on the right side of the navigation bar, we have two icons, a filter icon and a profile icon. Below the navigation bar, so here is the login page. Yes. Below the navigation bar, we display a responsive grid of property cards, and each card includes an image of the property, its name, and basic details. Example include properties such as also in Newmer Farm, Fame House, and Sunny Side Up. All the images and property information are fetched dynamically from the MongoDB. Each card is clickable, and when we select, it opens the detailed view of that property. The front end is developed using React.js, and I have used Flexbox and CSS Grid to make the UI fully responsive across both mobile and desktop screens. So here we can see it properly. So here the user can, yes, the front end is developed using React.js and I have used Flexbox and CSS Grid. Now let's move to the filter feature. When the user clicks the filter icon, a filter modal opens. Here the user can refine their search using multiple criteria. So there are so many criteria under the filter icon. First is price range. Users can select their budget using a sliding range. For example, 600 to 30,000 per night. The next property under this is, okay, so this is the price range. Now next we have is the property type, under which we have options like house, flat, guest house or hotel. So we have these four options under it. Then next is room type. Under room type we have entire home, room and any type options. Under that we have amenities option where we can select among Wi-Fi, AC, TV, parking, kitchen, washing machine, pool, etc. Then, according to our need. Then at the bottom of the filter modal, we have two options: clear, which is to reset all filters, and apply to filter results based on selected preferences. The filtering logic is handled using React state management, and the data is fetched from MongoDB via API and filtered on the client side. Now, when a user clicks on any property, for example, we can take okay, so when a user clicks on any property, for example, we are taking sunny side up. So the property detail page opens, and at the top, so this is our sunny side up page. Now at the top, there is an image slider showing multiple images of the property. So as we can see here, these are the multiple images. So we can have the idea how the location will look like. So these are the images. Then below that, a description section explains the property location, comforts, and special features. There is a section, okay, these are all the sections present here. Now, further below, what this place offers, then which displays the available amenities in a clean checkbox style format. Then there is a section titled what map section that shows the exact location of the property, helping users understand nearby surroundings. And this is the what this place offers option section. Now this is a extra info section. Further below, there is a map section that shows the exact location of the property, helping users understand nearby surroundings. We can zoom out and zoom in according to our choice. On the right side, we have the booking form. It displays price per night and check-in, check-out date selection, number of guests, username, and phone number. We can select these options according to our need. Let's say we are selecting the date as 6 November 2025 and the checkout date, let's say we are selecting some date like 11 December 2025. We are selecting the number of guests as 2. We will fill our full name and then the phone number. At the bottom of this form, there is a login to book button. Only registered users can make bookings. If a user is not logged in, they are redirected to the login or the registration page. Once logged in, the user can confirm their booking on clicking confirm, and the booking details are stored in MongoDB including booking ID, property name, dates. Okay, here booking ID, property name, dates, guest details, and user information. Proper form validation ensures that no required field is left empty. So here it shows the total pricing and the photos of the location. Here you can see your bookings. This is the profile where we have option to edit profile and change password also. We can also do multiple bookings. Here the full name, then the phone number, and then we will book this place for 6,000 rupees. Now proper form validation ensures that no required field is empty, and after a successful booking a confirmation message appears saying booking has been saved successfully. This shows the Homely Hub can be scaled into a completed professional level property booking platform. So this is our full profile. This is the booking part and this is our website for yes. Then after that, in the front, wait. Throughout this project, I enhanced my ability to integrate front-end and back-end components using APIs. I learned how to debug efficiently using dev tools and Postman logos. One major challenge was managing complex state behavior in React, especially when dealing with multiple data updates. Another challenge was handling asynchronous operations during API communication. To solve these, I adopted use effect correctly and used async or await patterns consistently. Finally, I learned how to structure efficiently MongoDB schemas to balance flexibility and performance. To conclusion, this project gave me a strong understanding of how to build, manage, and deploy a full stack web development. It helped me gain confidence in real world development workflows and strengthened my technical and problem solving abilities. I would like to thank my mentors and the internship program for providing guidance and support. Thank you for listening.